Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and we are looking at the operating system market share for September of 2018. What are the numbers for the market share for this September? So of course we are looking at every type of numbers here, including Android. So this is interesting numbers to look at. Of course, Android is dominant. That is no big surprise, and it is, of course, due to all the mobile devices out there, phones, tablets. So for the month of September, we got numbers that are at 40.74%. Now, there's something interesting about this because it is down 2%, well, 1.5% from last month. So it's kind of weird because you're trying to find why. One of the interesting aspects of it is that iOS, the iPhone, iPad operating system, is up, almost 1% from last month. Maybe that could be one of the reasons why there's a drop there. We have Windows that also is up a little bit. It was at 35.9% in August, and it's 36.4% in September. Kind of interesting to see these numbers move around. OS 10 at almost 6%. It's slightly up from 5.8 last in August. And of course, unknown is 1.3%, pretty much at the same level it was last time. Linux at 0.78. I want to mention here, because I always get this email or this comment, Linux is more than that. Now, in the global numbers of every operating system, it's very small. If you compare it to, if we just take Windows PC numbers, yes, it is, but it's it's probably at 2%. 3% max. But numbers of Linux are not really moving much, honestly. And basically, this is interesting to see these numbers. I am a little surprised at the 1.5% drop of Android this month. It's really kind of weird to see this, as usually they pretty much the numbers actually increase rather than go down. Maybe iOS, the release of new iPhones and all of that might have changed a little bit of the data, but overall, Android is still dominant with Windows second, pretty much. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.